Hey warriors, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Daniel Ficare, and today we're making the ultimate summer dessert, a warm, juicy vegan peach cobbler that'll even have your non-vegan friends saying, let's get back for seconds. Let's check out the ingredients. For this vegan peach cobbler recipe, we'll be using Georgia's juicy peaches, almond flour, Domino premium pure cane light brown sugar, 1 lemon, cornstarch non-GMO, organic ground cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, almond extract, vanilla extract, water, and I can't believe it's not butter, it's vegan.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it.
Slice your peaches and toss them into a medium-sized sauce bowl and let it sit for a while.
All of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
Mix your dry and wet ingredients separately, then combine until it forms a thick drop biscuit dough. Don't overmix. Pour your peaches into a greased 8x8 dish.
I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
Drop spoonfuls of biscuit toppings right over the peaches. No need to be perfect. This is a rustic dessert.
I wish I knew.
Add a little cinnamon and sugar magic on top and bake at 350 for 1 hour.
That we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
Y'all, look at this golden perfection. I'm sorry, this is disrespectfully good. The peaches are caramelized, the toppings is buttery, and a cold vegan ice cream. Game over. If you make this vegan dessert, drop a comment below. I want to see and hear how your cobbler turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves dessert. See you in the next one. God bless.